6:43 ng umaga, mapapahagian naman ang Cauayan City Standalone Senior High School ng isang multipurpose pavement sa ilalim ng partnership ng paaralan sa Development Bank of the Philippines. Sa panayam ng IFM News Team kay Ginoong John Mina, principal ng Cauayan City Standalone Senior High School, sinabi nitong sa ilalim ng Adapt a School program ay mapapamahagian sila ng multipurpose pavement na may sukat na 2,200 square meters. Ayon kay Ginoong Mina, malaking tulong ito dahil mapapakinabangan ng mga estudyante at guro, lalo na sa panahon ng tagulan na nagiging maputik ang paligid.
Actually, we have that partner, the Development Bank of the Philippines, and through the Adapt a School program of the Department of Education, we managed to partner with Development Bank of the Philippines, which was already approved, and the project is being implemented. As you can see, it's a multi-purpose pavement measuring about 2,200 square meters na dito sa gitnang bahagi. Malaking tulong ito dahil tuwing tag-ulan, medyo maputik itong area namin dahil makikinabang ang aming mga learners dito sa multipurpose pavement.
Nasimula na ang nasabing proyekto kasabay ng pagsasagawa ng Brigada Eskwela. Inaasahan namang matatapos ito sa lalong madaling panahon.
IFM News.